drive, number 49. Off 2 into 3. White flag is out, 1 lap to go. Aaron Ted just got to go around and finish. And he'll go in the Jesse Phibbs Dash for Cash a little bit later. There's your top 3 there, folks.
It's not winning. He's so
Bucket Seguin and Aaron Ted.